Hello guys, it's me Neha and today I'll teach you what is MCP, Model Context Protocol, and what is agent. And today we are going to use LangFlow. It's a low code framework of making agent. So today we'll understand what is MCP, how we connect MCP to agent by using LangFlow. Okay, so let's get started. So first understand what is MCP. So before MCP, we make an agent, but there is a some thing that can change before after MCP. Anthropic launched MCP, a system where tools can connect with MCP. You don't need to write too much code or don't need to plan too much thing to add a new tool in your agent. So this is MCP, and with MCP, agent to agent talk is very easy because it's a one structure. Okay, so before agents like your client HTTP request to their server backend API to fetch the data, but now client LLM request client request to LLM and LLM talk to MCP, and it's a smarter and more beneficial way to make an agent or app. So MCP connect multiple AI tools to work together as a team and do complex tasks. So uh, let's break down how it's work. Okay, it's a simple MCP example. There is an agent, a tool that fetch data, and the another tool is making a summary of that data, and the third tool is finalizing the result. So they all work together like a team, and MCP makes sure they do all the right tasks in the right order. So in LangFlow, before MCP, there are tools you can use in your flow, but you cannot use external tools that are in the market or that you make, or you are not able to use your Python. But now with MCP, you can use any tool with the help of MCP, and you can use your custom Python script as well. So now I'll tell you fastly what is the advantages and the disadvantages of using MCP. So what is the advantages of MCP? Tasks get done faster because don't need to write something in your code or in your flow. You just need to connect the tools. So that's why it's easy. Big jobs are divided into smaller parts. Agree? How? You can divide your agent into small chunks, and each chunks can work, and the complexity can be done easily. Okay. So, and the third one is agent can be reusable again and again. You are making tools by tools of flow. Okay, so you can use each tool, each flow every time, so it's a reusable. Before MCP, you can merge your agent, but now you can divide it into agent, and these division you are using in your other agent or in your come up area. So this is the advantages. So the first disadvantage is it can be a bit harder to set up at first. Agreed, you need to write too much code or thinking too much. Managing many agents takes planning, obviously. It's important one. If one agent falls, other might stop too. But in the other case, MCP case, if one tool can stop, but agar, if one tool stop, so it's okay. No problem in the flow, no problem in your code. Others work fine. So this is the benefits of MCP. Okay, now let's go to a real-time demo. I will open LangFlow. So see, I am on extradatabase.com. It's a you can make a flow here, and you can also install LangFlow locally. But now, for example, I'll teach you here. Okay, so build with LangFlow. I'll just click on his. I just click. So it's take a couple of time. See, I'll teach you what is LangFlow. LangFlow is an open source platform. By this, you can make your agent, and you can also make your RAG application or simple prompting as well. So now, this is the framework. This is the first look, and you just click on new flow to make a flow. And there's three options. I'll choose simple agent. because I'm using MCP, so it's take a couple of time. It's depend upon the net speed as well. Okay, I'll just zoom a little to understand what is it. See, it's a flow. It's a simple flow. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just want to cancel this thing, this URL part, because I didn't need it. In this search bar option, there are many components you can use here. There are many tools here as well. To add MCP component, this is MCP server here, and see, it is connected. I'll just do a little zoom to everything is clear now. A little back. Yeah, it's perfect now. See, the first it's like a default. It is connected. You can also remove this out, but I'm using this. The work of the tool is, okay, it's fetch the data from the websites directly. Okay, the tool that you want to add in your MCP, so you just want to connect it here. Where you want to get, it's a page. I'll also add this link in the description. See, it's a server. All the server of MCPs are written here. Okay, you can see. See, now I'm using the fetch one. See, here's the fetch tool. See, what's the work? Okay, I'll just click here, and the way and the process to use this, it's also written here in the documentation. See this UVX and the command. Okay, you get this, and you just want to enter in the component and just reload this. By reloading this, see, this tool comes here. See, fetch tool. I'll just click it, and the mode is on. The blue color, the blue tool color is now available. See, tool color. So you just need to connect it from the tool. Now it's good to go. And here you just want to add, one thing is left here is just I'm just adding my OpenAI API key here, and just come back. Okay. See, now I'll add my API key here, and all the things are done. Okay. I'll just zoom back so you can see the flow. Okay, so but how to run this flow, you just need to run the last part. Okay, now the flow is running. Okay, see these lines. Okay, now the see successfully run. So I'll click the playground to see the result. The tool I'll add it is fetch tool that fetch any website data. So I'll ask, right, tell me something about, okay, the Discord. Okay, discord.com. So it's running. See, um see, it's take a couple of time. First time it's take because it's go to the website and scratch the data. First time, okay, then it's doing smoothly. See, it's working. See, the tool run. See, voila, see how insane is it. It's a very, see, it's give you the result. Okay, and it's insane if you are using any platform or any other framework, so it's very difficult to use a task or make a flow and make an agent. But here in MCP you can do it very well. You can do it in I think it's 60 seconds or 45 seconds. I'll teach you what is how the flow works, and it's going to be, voila, it's insane. So hope you like the video. Please like, share, and comment below, and tell me is anything that you could not understand, so I'll teach you again, or any other topic that you want to learn, so tell me in the comment box.